Could this tiny green machine really be your next daily commuter? This 14-inch foldable electric bike for adults promises big things for city riders, and after looking at its specs, it certainly makes a compelling case. Right off the bat, what grabs your attention is the powerful 500W brushless motor. For a bike this size, that's a significant punch, ensuring you can zip through urban landscapes at a maximum speed of 20 miles per hour. It's not just about raw power though, the versatility is key. You get 3 customizable PA modes: pure electric for effortless cruising, pedal assist for when you want a bit of exercise with a boost, and a normal bicycle mode if you just want to pedal it like a traditional bike. This flexibility is fantastic, adapting to whatever your day throws at you. Powering all this is a high-performance 48V10Ah battery. And here's a crucial point. It's UL 2849 certified, which gives you a real sense of security about its safety and quality. This removable battery design is a game changer for convenience. Imagine pulling it out and charging it easily at your desk at work or inside your apartment without having to lug the whole bike indoors. A full charge promises a range of up to 15 to 20 miles, which is more than enough for most daily commutes or quick errands around town. Now let's talk about its most defining feature, the foldable design. This 14-inch e-bike truly lives up to its name with a quick folding frame. This means it can easily tuck away into a car trunk, a small apartment corner, or even under your desk at the office. It's designed to be a stylish and reliable companion that doesn't demand much space, making it perfect for those living in compact urban environments. But convenience doesn't come at the expense of comfort or safety. The bike features an ergonomic design with adjustable seat and handlebar heights, so adults of various sizes can find a comfortable riding position. Those 14-inch tires aren't just any tires. They're puncture-resistant, adding a layer of durability and peace of mind on varied city terrains. Safety is further enhanced with an LED display that clearly shows your battery information, and essential front and rear lights ensure you're visible and safe during night rides. Plus, the inclusion of dual disc brakes and front suspension on a high-carbon steel frame means a stable, controlled, and surprisingly smooth ride, even when navigating less than perfect roads. It's worth noting that, like many new electronics, the battery won't be fully charged upon delivery, so a full charge before your first ride is a must. And it's reassuring to hear about their 100% satisfactory after-sales service, suggesting they stand behind their product. Overall, this REOCRO foldable e-bike feels like a thoughtfully designed solution for the modern urban dweller. It's compact, powerful, safe, and incredibly convenient. If you're looking for an efficient, space-saving way to tackle your daily commute or enjoy leisurely rides, this mini bike truly delivers a big experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.